welcome to Bundle of Three. It's yours truly, Brittney. Today we are going to be talking about, basically, I don't know if this is a story time or is it just me spilling tea, but I'm going to be telling you about growing up Haitian, my experience, of course, of growing up Haitian American. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys stay tuned. Or comment if you're Haitian. Comment if you are another nationality and you still go through these stuff. Like, comment. Let me know. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Okay. Enjoy.
Here we go.
EMG.
Cash on me, I got hit the lottery. That was a trip. Watch on how they follow me. Honest blue.
Haitian parents, Haitian adults, Haitian family members. All they believe in is the 3 L's. I mean, the adults, the gum ones, let's say. The 3 L's, which is l'église, l'accueil, l'école. L'école, school, l'accueil, home, and l'église, church. Nowhere else. Where you think you're going? Oh, you're going to a friend's house. Really? Does your parents know about this? Once your parents know, they're not going to let you go, sis. They're not going to let you go.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
So do not bring up anywhere other than those 3 places. No party, no friend's house, no function, family gathering after school, no. After school, you know where you at? Home, l'accueil. Period. When you want to go to a party, let's say, right? Okay. Your parents confirmed this with you day before that you can go to the party, or let's not even say a party, a gathering at your friend's house. Your parents say you can go, it's okay, blah, blah, blah. Right, the next day, right when you get ready to go out to your friend's house, your parents see you getting ready. They know exactly where you gotta go. They know what you gotta do. All that stuff. They know, and they told you it's okay, you can go. Right when they see you getting ready.
Brittney, go Vanilla.
Go, Vanilla. You know exactly where I'm going. So please don't ask me, Golden Brale. They be like,
Oh, Vawaye, I sit na kitchen na.
there is nothing, literally nothing dirty in the kitchen. They pulling up chores. They pulling up stuff. That's when they pull up and say they had a dream last night. Just so you don't go. They had a dream. Oh, they had a dream. People came at your friend's house and shoot up the place and you got shot. What? What? And you cannot say mom. You cannot say dad. That's not going to happen. You can't say that. Because right when you say that, no. God told me you can't go. Jesus told me you can't go. They won't say anything just so you don't go. But the day before, they told you you can go. You can never believe a Haitian parent when they say you can go somewhere. If it's not you can go to school, or you can go to church, or you can go home, don't believe anything else they say. You can go to a party, that's a lie. You can go to your friend's house, that's a lie. The next day, they're going to wake up, be like, Mde fe obezi yaswa. Mde
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's what they're gonna tell you. So sis, don't believe that. I remember one time my auntie took basically my auntie like to gather us up and take us out, take us to like theme parks or like beaches. So just a relaxful day so we can relax. One of my aunties made this plan with all of us so we can go. Okay, everybody, all the kids went and go tell their parents, oh, we're gonna go out with Taxi. Okay. And Taxi, of course, she tells the parents too. But with me and with okay, she had 3 boys. She had 3 boys. Of course she's going, so of course the boys are going. Her kids are going, of course. Basically, my girl cousin named Dahlia, and then my other boy cousin named Clarence, and my other girl cousin named Ashley. Okay, so Ashley went and go ask her dad, and Ashley's dad said, okay, no problem. Dahlia went and go ask her mom, and Dahlia's mom said, okay, no problem. Clarence went and go ask his mom, and his mom says, okay. Now it's me. I went and go ask my mom.
Oh, that's no problem. What? I'm gonna make some macaroni so you guys can eat while y'all there, so you guys can have fun. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna give you extra money, all this stuff, so you can spend while you're there.
Oh, what? When she's telling me this, I am so happy. When I tell you I'm ecstatic, like, no one can tell me anything. I'm surprised because my mom actually said, yes, I can go. Because I'm her baby girl, let's say, because my little 2 sisters was not born yet. So, of course, I'm her only child. And for her to tell me, yes, I can go, because my mom is so overprotective. For her to say, yes, I can go, oh my gosh, it's like,
Oh my God! Wow!
basically. Okay. Next day, tell me how everybody's getting ready to go. First, my mom, she lives in Elizabeth. I'm with my grandma. I'm with my grandma in Hillside. So I'm like, I see my grandma, and my grandma's like,
Brittney, your mom said you're not going.
I'm like, what? You're lying, because I called my mom yesterday because I slept over my grandma's house. So I called my mom yesterday, and my mom said I can go. So, gama so abdim la parce que my mom says dim ka aller. My grandma's like,
Oh, no, you're not going. You're not going. Your mom was like she had a bad dream. Maman dit c'est un mauvais rêve et puis aussi pour oublier pour la caille.
I'm like, what? What? Come again? Yeah, and then my grandma's like,
Oh, your mom made a bad dream and this and the third, and so she saw you was getting eaten by sharks.
what a coincidence. What? And she says I was getting eaten by sharks, right when she say I can go to the beach the next day? And then grandma told me,
You can't go.
I felt like my whole world was crashing before my eyes. Like, I hated everyone. I hated everything. I could not anymore. I felt like dying at that point. Because I see all my cousins having fun. This, that, and the third. They mad happy. They about to go swimming. They about to go eat this, that, and the third. They about to spend so much money. And then me, I'm just like, I'm so mad. Like, I am so pissed. And then my mom has the nerve to call my auntie, talking about,
Oh, Brittney said she don't want to go. because she had a dream that she got eaten by sharks.
Oh, don't give me that old goo goo gaga gaga crap.
What? That is what my grandma told me, that she had a dream.
Now she's saying I had a dream?
And then so my auntie's like, my mom's saying it's Micheline.
Okay, no problem, Micheline. Find problem.
All this stuff. My auntie come to me,
Oh, I'm sorry about your dream, but I'm sorry about you just not going, and well, we'll have fun for you.
Not being possible.
Kiss her? I'm like, what? I start crying instantly. I was crying when my grandma told me that I cannot go, that my mom said I cannot go. I was crying. But right when my auntie came to me and my auntie was like, she's sorry about my dream, and she's sorry about me feeling the way I feel, and she's sorry about me being so scared, and this and I'm like, what? And then I start crying instantly. As soon as this lady came through the door, I started crying. And then my mom gonna call me like,
Boo, Boo, she calls me Boo. Then my mom gonna call me, Boo, are you okay? Are you okay?
when I tell you, I love my mom to death, but that day, oh my gosh, I was gonna hang up. I was gonna hang up on her. And that's the worst thing to do to a Haitian adult, let me tell you, sis. But that day, it was gonna be over between me and her. I was gonna disown her as my mother. I was gonna like, don't talk to me ever again. When I tell you I was gonna move out, sis, yes, I was gonna move out. When they came back, they told me how one of my cousins almost drowned. And I can't even swim. So if I was there, it could have been me. You never know. So my mom, okay, thank you for not letting me go. Thank you for not letting me go. But even though I was still upset, okay, I'm done with that story. I'm sorry. I had got a little bit off topic, but I'm back again. Another thing is when a Haitian parent is disciplining you, basically they're just saying all this stuff to you. You cannot say anything opposite. You cannot basically say anything to defend yourself. Haitian parents, when I tell you their temper is like this, like once you say something to defend yourself, they already go get the belt. Like, Mr. Wajinu, because you're trying to disrespect me in my house. You trying to disrespect me, Mr. Wajinu, Flanco Wajinu. Okay, Ajinu is get on your knees. So, get on your knees, basically. And when you get on your knees, just know you're going to get disciplined. They going to put that work in, you feel me? Like, they gonna get you right. Okay. So, of course, you cannot say anything to defend yourself. If they talking, let them talk. Just let them talk. Don't try to say anything to argue back. Don't try to say anything to defend yourself. Don't try to say anything that's opposite from what they're telling you. Because, sis, I'm trying to tell you, once you do, it's over. Once you do, just know you about to get aginu. And once you get aginu, and you still popping off at the mouth like, no, I'm not finna, no, you're not gonna talk to me like that. It's the belt. Because so basically, it's the belt, and it's aginu. And if you, once they hit you with the belt, if you try to like block it, this is a block it. You basically hitting them. You hitting them. They are so dramatic. What they do is They throw the belt in the air, and then they say, okay, vin back muna. Vin back muna. Umet leviate. Once they say umet leviate, you can get up off your knees. You can get up off your knees. They get on their knees. Them, as the parent, get on their knees. And then they're like, take the belt. You could discipline me. Because basically, if you doing all this, doing all that, you trying to discipline me. So basically, there's the belt. Handle your business. Of course, please, of course, I know you guys are not gonna take the belt and try to hit your mom or hit your dad. But there's some kids that actually do. But the people that's listening to me are not gonna do that. Sis, but that's how dramatic they are. They will actually throw a fit. Tell you, you can come beat me up because I can't be an adult. Obviously, I can't do my job and you can. So come do my job and come be the adult. That's how it was. Back in the day, that's how it was. Like, my mom, my grandma, my uncles. No, my uncles was nothing to play with. My uncles was nothing to play with. If I would get in trouble and my mom can't handle me, I was a good child. So, but let's say my mom can't handle me, my mom will call my uncles. And once they call my uncles, it's basically like the police can't handle the situation, they call the military. You understand? So basically my uncles was a SWAT team and the military put together, you feel me? Like they were gonna mete lord na desord. They were gonna handle that. And that's how my uncles were. And so once my mom called my uncles, it's over. Like I was saying, do not try to defend yourself when they saying all this stuff about you. Cause sis, when I tell you Haitian parents are so dramatic, they will also, if they don't if they don't do all that agino and blah blah blah, what they will do, okay. Example, I'm laying on my bed, my mom comes out of nowhere.
I got a call from your teacher. Your teacher said you didn't do this homework, you didn't do this homework.
And then, like, she just starts popping off. She's calling me all these names. Let her talk. Let her talk. I'm not gonna pop off back at her. My mom, she will get out, slam the door, boom. Okay, what been Batman? What this, what that? My mom will get out, close the door. I didn't even say anything to her. I didn't even say anything to her at all. She will get out, close the door, slam it shut, and then she will call everybody, all my family, because I have family across the country. Like, I have family in all different states. She will call my family in Jersey, family in Arizona, family in other parts of Florida, family here, family there, family everywhere, just to tell them what I did. And I did completely nothing. I did nothing. She will call them like, oh, Brittney have Batman na Kyla, Brittney Zimbum Sosi na Kyla. What? That's how Haitian parents are. Everybody will know what you did in the house. All your uncles, all your aunties, all your cousins, they will know about your life. You here in your house, minding your business. If you do something bad, let's say, your mom and you and the people in the house should be here to handle that. My uncles, my aunties in New Jersey should not be knowing about this. Because they got their own situation. They got their own kids. They got their own problems. But I'm trying to tell you, Everybody will know your situation. Even Haiti will get a piece of your situation. I'm trying to tell you. And Haiti gonna try to call you, trying to discipline you over the phone. New Jersey gonna try to call you, trying to discipline you over the phone. Other parts in Florida gonna try to call you, trying to discipline you over the phone. Who? Also, Haitian parents, they feel as if you go to a family gathering with them, if you go to a party, church, anywhere, and there's adults, you need to salute all of the adults in the room. Like, you have to salute everybody. When I say salute, I mean like, how you doing? Show a sign of respect. Como ye, blah blah blah. Bonsoir, bonjour, et puis boyo, sufigio. Comme si, like, kiss them on their cheek, like, mwah, like that, like cheek to cheek, just kiss them. Don't mwah on their cheek, cause that's nasty. But no. But all you do is salute them, salute them, salute them. And if you forget that one person, you're Maledve. If you forget that one person, you're disrespectful. It's like that, sis. I'm trying to tell you. That's how it was growing up. Haitian. That's how it was back in the day. I feel like they take the dumbest stuff offensive. They take the most smallest things and make it this much. Okay, example. Whistling. Whistling around adults, the gum ones, that's disrespect.
Yeah, baby. What is you doing, baby?
That is disrespect. Sis, I'm trying to tell you, don't do that. That stuff will get you slapped beside your head. Don't whistle by gum ones. Whistling, really?
Bitch, what?
Crossing your arms while you're at church. Standing like this, crossing your arms. One time, I was at church with my grandma back in the day, long time ago. I was like this, arms crossed and everything, in church. My grandma was like, she pinched me. She pinched me. She was like, why is your arms crossed? Uncross your arms. Why my arms gotta be uncrossed? Please, why does my arms gotta be uncrossed? Yes, so basically, she was like, uncross your arms. That's a sign of disrespect. You at church, blah, blah, blah. Uncross your arms. Another thing she does not like, I would have a jacket and I would tie it around my waist. Oh my gosh, she hates that. I remember I used to come from school with my little jacket tied around my waist. Honey, she would have been like, where are you coming from? School or you was chilling? You was coming from school or the hood? Like, cause my grandma did not like that at all. At all. So, I'm gonna stop it here. But that is my experience of growing up Haitian. Of course, there's some more. There's a lot more. And it's really, like, I love the Haitian culture. I really do. But this is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys went through these same things, let me know. If you guys go through something different, let me know. And also, like, subscribe, and press the notification bell.
This is Bundle of Three. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice day or a nice night. At whatever time you're watching this, I hope you guys enjoy.